Okay, we're going to check out my first 2 deep hive. Now this one had, what do we have here? 25 May, 3 queen cells. 3 June, I had a young queen in there. So that was exactly 2 weeks ago. So we're hoping to see signs that this queen is laying. I don't think I have her excluded yet. If I find her, I probably will force her to the bottom box. It's getting to be, what is today? June the 20th. So it's getting to be that time where I'd like to force the queens down in the bottom, get honey up top, brood in the bottom, and that's how I like to organize these hives. Now, there's not much going on the top here. This is the second box that I put on. This box was pretty full, but they really haven't drawn out much on top here yet. So I'm going to take my chances and go right to the bottom box to look for the queen. That's where we're going to see any action in this hive. Okay, let's see how we do here. That initial crack of splitting the hive always really gets them going. Okay, they're all right. Not a massive number of bees, maybe not enough to have 2 boxes on, but that's the decision I went with when I saw them, so I'm going to stick to that decision. Decent activity over here if I'm looking for a queen. Just honey on the outside here, beautiful honey frame. They're still working on filling. This one's another honey frame. Ooh, half full, maybe a little more than half. Okay, this frame they're building out. They're building out decently. They're already putting nectar on the top, which is good. This one they're still building out. Now turn it around a bit. Let's get some smoke on these guys. Another heavy-ish frame, but this is a frame where she could be laying. They've got honey on the top and nothing in the middle. Let's have a closer look for eggs. Nope, nothing on that side for eggs, and this side they're filling all with nectar. It's a pretty common sight when you have young hives, you're trying to raise queens, and they're trying to raise queens. You're on a honey flow, so the bees are out there gathering tons of nectar, and you want to make sure that they don't take away all the space for the queen to lay by filling it up with nectar. That's what we call being honey bound. If a queen is honey bound, she can't lay, and there's a good chance they'll swarm. Take a look at this one. Next couple of frames we're seeing action. Yeah, they're building this one out nicely. Room for her to lay, but not see any eggs. This side. Let's take a closer look. I think the queen's going to be either on this frame or the next frame, if there is a queen. Okay, so no laying, but certainly a frame that's capable of having her lay. So she does not have crowding issues, that's for sure. This frame is busy with bees. Heavy with bees too. Let's see what we got. I find it funny when you see, sometimes you see drones and they're acting like queens, like they'll stick their butt in cells, like they've got something to do. Let's have a closer look. Flipped it over to the other side and it's mostly honey and pollen and bee bread, but no queen and no eggs yet. Nice light frame. So many drones. Oh, it's practically all drones on this frame. Don't see a queen. Let's have a closer look for some eggs. Other side, it's got lots of bee bread and lots of space for her to lay, but no eggs yet. Keep getting the smell of death, and it's not coming from the hives. I gotta figure out where the predominant wind is after I do these inspections, because there is a dead critter around here, and by critter I mean a largest critter like a coyote or a deer or something. So I can literally smell the carcass. Alright, let's look for a queen on here. There's a beautiful frame with bee bread and a little bit of honey. This would be a nice frame for the queen to be laying on or hanging out on. I'd take that. Nope. Don't see her. Over here. So many drones. My goodness. See if you can hear what I hear. I hear piping over here in this corner. So let's have a closer look. See if there's a young queen there. You hear it? There. Maybe she's on the other side. Looking down in this corner over here. Don't hear it anymore, but the last time I heard it, it sounded louder on this side. Yeah, over here somewhere now. There's to the left here. Again. There it is again. Where is she? There's a queen on this frame somewhere. There's she. Nope. She's running along the bottom of the frame. Let's see. Other side. I don't see her, but I think I heard her. Okay, let's get this frame back in. Looks like the next one is honey. So I'll make note that I heard the piping. Still no laying though. So somewhere in here there's very likely a young queen. Hopefully you saw her. Hopefully when I see this video, I'll see her. Let's take a look at this next frame just in case. There's a good number of bees over here. I thought this was a honey frame, but they've made this up for the queen to lay. It's got honey on top, and then nothing but space in the middle. This side too. Lots of drones though, holy smokes, why so many drones? There's the queen right there. There she is, right there. See her? There's the queen. I'm glad I took a look at this frame. Let's just watch her for a while and see what she does. There she is. See? She's a decent size. And she's scurrying around like she doesn't know what she's doing. And she's not liking the attention. She's gone over to the other side now. See her here. Okay, let's get this frame back in. Again, it's a queen. It's a decent size. Not laying yet, but they will soon. Still kind of early. Let's get her back in and get these frames together. And that's it.